Clever Fox Camping Journal is the ultimate tool for planning your camping adventures from A to Z. Using it, you can thoroughly prepare for each trip, store helpful information about the campsites, and preserve your favorite travel memories and photos for years to come. This journal comes in a standard A5 size and measures 5.8 inches by 8.3 inches to easily fit inside your backpack. It has a durable vegan leather hardcover, a pen loop, an elastic band, thick 120 GSM bleed-resistant paper, and an expandable back pocket to store loose papers. All these features will help you journal comfortably wherever you are. Inside, you will find 3 sheets of colorful stickers and an illustrated user manual with step-by-step instructions. Begin using your journal by creating a camping bucket list and recording all camping destinations you want to visit. Tick these off as you go. The more destinations you cross off your list, the more fun it gets. You can plan up to 12 camping trips in this journal, and with 8 pages per trip, you will have all the space you need to record every detail. Plan your trip by creating a comprehensive packing checklist. This way, you will always come 100% prepared. We've also added a section with packing checklist ideas to serve as a helpful reminder of all the things you might need. Next, plan your meals for the upcoming trip and list all the groceries you must buy. Doing so, you can ensure that you bring enough food and know what you will cook each day. Use the campsite log to store all helpful information about the campsite you stay at. Here, you can plan which route you will take, record the campsite's address, contact details, GPS location, altitude, and cost, as well as mark all available amenities and more. Checking all this information in advance will help you choose the best campsite to fit your needs and prepare everything you need for your stay. When your trip ends, use a dedicated page to list the main pros and cons of the campsite, people you've met, things you can do next time, cafes and restaurants available, places you visited, and activities you've tried. Add any extra notes and tips for your next trip at the bottom of the page. You can use this information to prepare for future visits to this campsite. Each trip also includes 2 empty pages to record travel memories and add pictures, so you can return to them and relive your favorite moments many years later. At the back of the journal, you'll find a recipe section for your go-to camping recipes and a list for storing helpful contacts. This way, you will have all the information you need at your fingertips whenever you need it. And for any extra notes you want to take, there are plenty of dot grid pages to customize however you like. We hope this camping journal will become your reliable travel companion and help you plan some of your greatest adventures. Clever Fox Planner. Stay organized. Stay clever.